it's always very frightening for me to sing a song because I'm not a singer. And especially when you have people like Clinton sitting 6 inches away from your nose.
Further ado, ladies and gentlemen, can I please invite up on stage Mr. Amitabh Bachchan?
Ooh. Thank you, Clinton. It's so wonderful to see you. Okay.
Bachchan sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. It's very difficult to stand here and listen to Clinton and Ribu and Amitabh say all these wonderful words, but it's been a delight to work in this film. A little about the song has already been narrated to you by Ribu and Clinton. My character in the film is an Anglo-Bengali. His name is John Biswas. He's old, he's weak, he's defeated, and that's what Ribu wanted me to portray as the character. So whether it was my clothing or the way I moved, the way I walked, the way I spoke, they were all supposed to depict a very weak, defeated person. And then when they came with the idea of a song, I felt that it would be inappropriate for somebody of this nature to sing a song in the film. But after listening to the tune and the words that Amitabh had written, I just felt that this was more something that was internalized, something that perhaps John would think of in his quieter moments, and therefore we went ahead and did it. It's always very frightening for me to sing a song because I'm not a singer, and especially when you have people like Clinton sitting 6 inches away from your nose, telling you how to do and do it again, and it's very daunting. But somehow something has come about, and I do hope that we can have a look at it now.
Absolutely. So I guess we're ready to watch. This is the first time that the song is being presented to the media, to the world. Ladies and gentlemen, from Teen presenting Bachchan Sahab ki awaaz mein Kyun Re release kiya gaya. So please go back home and share it as much as you can. This is a beautiful song, and if this doesn't give you goosebumps, precious else will. Bachchan Sahab, कैसा लग रहा है देखकर पूरा गाना बड़े स्क्रीन पर पूरी मीडिया के सामने प्रेजेंट करके?
जैसा कि मैंने अभी कहा, जॉन बिस्वास बहुत ही एक कमजोर आदमी है.
एक गाना जो ऑलरेडी रिलीज हो चुका है, काफी पॉपुलर हो चुका है, हक, रेडियो पे भी चल रहा है, एंड एवरीवनस हर्ड दैट सॉन्ग. हक के बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए, जो गाना ऑलरेडी रिलीज हो चुका है. माइक.
Well, I'll just say that Ribu, that was the first song that we were actually thinking of, and he just told me that it should be a song of triumph, but quiet triumph, vindication more than a loud triumph. So I thought that I wanted to go for in something that was medium tempo. And when I was waiting for Amitabh to come up with some lyrics, for a long time he never sent me anything, and I was always wondering what he'd come out with. And so one day I was fast asleep in my studio because I was really tired, and suddenly I wake up and I see my phone buzzes with a message from Amitabh, and he has lyrics, and I read the lyrics, and I was flabbergasted because the lyrics they were completely an analogy from the point of view of a single star fighting against the darkness and having the right to shine against the darkness. And I completely blew my mind. I said, wow, what a thought, what an amazing thought. And from there the song just flowed, I think.
Amitabh is not only a lyricist, I think he's a poet. He writes superb stuff.
No, not at all. Well, actually, on that note, what Clinton said, since the melody that he had given me was so simple, and what we needed to say in the song had to be really simple and profound. So वो क्रैक करने में थोड़ा सिंपल चीजें क्रैक करने में थोड़ा वक्त लग जाता है. So I just took the due time.
अमिताभ, ये मैं आपसे पहले भी कह चुकी हूँ हमारे इंटरव्यूज के दौरान कि बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग लगता है जब हम मूवी के म्यूजिक के बारे में बात करते हैं और लिरिसिस्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं. लिरिसिस्ट से हम इंटरव्यूज करते हैं जाकर. इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग फॉर मी पर्सनली टू सी कि अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य ने क्या लिखा है इस मूवी के लिए. तो रिबू, जब आपके पास आए तीन का कॉन्सेप्ट लेकर, मूवी लेकर कि मैं बच्चन साहब के साथ एक फिल्म कर रहा हूँ, क्या उन्होंने आपको बोला था किस किस्म के गाने होने चाहिए इस फिल्म में?
Actually, we actually shot the film and we edited the film. We went to Amitabh much later because जब script बना और sir के dates आए, and Shujoy and I decided that we have this 2-3 months and we should jump and do the pre-prod and finish the shoot. And when we come back, we do a lineup. Then we'll get Clinton to do some stuff. We'll get Amitabh to write some stuff for us. So actually, it happened the other way around. Generally, music happens before you go to shoot. But यहाँ पे थोड़ा अलग हुआ है.